Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm doing my quarterly empties and declutters. Now this quarter we don't have any declutters at all, just empties. And we do have one makeup empty, but we'll get to that one last. Can keep you in suspense. However, let us get on with the show. So, I've got some dental empties. Let's do the two big ones first. Finished two of these. These are my favorite mouthwash to use. I will use Scope every once in a while, Colgate every once in a while, but these ones are the bomb. And I hope I don't ever have to use what's that other one? Listerine ever again. But yeah, these are my HG, my holy grails. So, and for my toothpaste, this is the Sensodyne Toothpaste, whitening. And this is my holy grail toothpaste, although right now I am using Pronamel. Which is also a Sensodyne product, so, but this is my actual holy grail toothpaste. And I finished a floss. These are fine, but they're not my favorite. My favorite are in the gray package, but these are almost as good. So, honorable mention for the holy grail. But yeah, and I'm halfway through another one of these, so you'll definitely see another one of these in the next quarterly empties. My toothbrush head. This is from Amazon, pack of 20 for I think like under $20. I'll have to see, I'll have to check when I do my research, but pretty sure these are about 75 cents each, but with inflation they may have gone up, so we'll see. Now for a disappointment. I'm still using, because I got a pack of 6 boxes of these Dotale Berberine Meringa patches. Don't bother. If you see the ad for these ones, skip it. I so far don't see any change. They don't stay on very well, even on like I did not put any cream on my skin and these still did not stay on. Now it has been very humid, which is not normal for Edmonton. It's usually pretty dry, but still these are tiny, they don't stay on very well, and I'd skip it. Not worth your money. The jury's still out on whether this is doing anything. They say to put it under your tongue. Well, yeah, then you have it in your mouth for, well, however long it takes for it to absorb. And it wasn't long enough for me, so, or short enough for me, so now I'm just putting it down my gullet, which, anyways, we'll see. I may or may not repurchase another one of these. I've got one that it's different than this one. So they've changed the formula a little bit. But I think they took out the ashwagandha or something maybe, but yeah, that jury's still out. And they do a subscription thing that you have to do, and I don't like that, so. Now, let's get on to some skincare. I got these patches with a Poshmark order as a thank you, and they were nice. I'd have to see Yargkos. I'll have to look up how much these would actually cost, but I got it for free. Yeah, see if I can get them again, because they were nice. I mean, there are patches. 2 cleansing balms, my Holy Grail green tea and vitamin E, and I'm on to another one of these now. This I got in my Christmas minis order for my Christmas present, and I was not impressed. I'll save my money and continue buying these ones, because I was not impressed with this. It was nice, but it took longer to get eye makeup, like mascara and eyeliner and all that off with it than this does. So yeah, not impressed. Holy Grail, meh. And this was in my Sephora advent calendar. It's nice. I'd buy it. I'd repurchase it. It's good. This, I'm not sure. It was grainy, which I wasn't expecting. Which I guess, whatever, but I don't know. I don't know if and I know this is an expensive brand, so I don't know if I'd necessarily buy this particular cleanser from them, but this I would buy. It was nice. I like a good old fashioned gel cleanser. If I want a scrub, I'll buy a scrub. Two things from my Alphabet Project Pan skincare. Actually, no, 4 things, but 2 of them are hair. So from the skincare, this was my H product, the Holy Hydration Nourishing Night Cream from e.l.f. And I would buy this again. It was quite nice and light, so you could wear this actually as a cream in the summer because it's not overly thick. In fact, the one I'm using right now is also a Holy Hydration product, but it's thicker than this one. So in the summer, I would only use that at night. In the winter, I'd use it for both day and night. But this one you can use in the summer at night because it's not overly thick. So it's nice. And the spot correcting serum, I have repurchased this. I'm enjoying it. And I've in fact bought 3 more of these little guys because I couldn't get the 30 milliliter bottle. So I bought 3 of these 10 milliliter bottles to fill 30 mils. And yeah, it's nice. I use it in the morning with my skincare in the morning, and I'd say it is working because this little red patch is getting lighter and lighter. So it's getting to the point where you can't see it through makeup, whereas before you could still see it through makeup. So you have the vanilla chai shower gel. Use this up in, I think just after my empties from January. So then I was able to start on the Twinkling Star, which I'm using right now. But yeah, if I can, I will buy another one of these, a bigger size, because this was lovely. Now, this is a holiday product from the Body Shop, but they usually have some kind of vanilla shower cream available for Christmas, for the holidays from Body Shop. And whatever they have, I'll buy the big one. And another hair, or I guess that was body. This one's hair. And I finished my ESA Honey Conditioning Shampoo. This was my E product. And it's a hotel courtesy, so I can't buy it. But it was nice. For makeup, my other E product, my Essence Fix and Last Jelly Primer. Finished that. It was in a different container because this pump stopped working. But geez, makeup empty for this quarter. Thought I had more makeup empties, but they're coming. So we'll see you in my next video, which I believe will be probably a makeup A to Z, other than my shorts, of course. I do a shorts, different short every day. So if you want to see me sooner, you can see my short coming up today that I'm filming today. and putting up today. So we'll see you in my next long form video and my shorts. Bye for now, loves.
For me, break, for me, break that body for me, what?